Go, Manea. Go, Maverick. Oop. So here we are, guys. Look at this little cute door sticker they have for Mava. I had to run up and hurry up and put it on. The room keys are your bracelet. So here we go. Here's the bathroom. It's kind of small. So something about me that's really weird is I have a secret obsession over wolves, and I actually call Maverick Wolfie sometimes, and I have a tattoo of Maverick, a wolf, that says Maverick. Is that an ashtray? Mava. Happy birthday, Mava. Happy birthday. Oh. Alright, guys. So I want to do a little snippet of the puppy passes and what they benefit. If you have older kids, I advise you get the older packages. They have, I'm not sure what it is, but they have some better ones for the teens. These are paw passes. These are not included with your stay. You pay extra. And they include, this is the pup pass. It offers a furry friend from Build-A-Bear, 1 paw point, arcade with 20 paw points, 1 serving of select bulk candy, 1 pair of select Great Wolf Lodge swim goggles, 1 glitz glitter tattoo, and a single scoop of ice cream. So yeah, headed to the water park. Look at how cool these little lights are, though. They're super cool.
Daddy, this is a wolf one.
Yeah, this one's a wolf one. The other one was a polar bear.
Mommy, we don't have.
Maverick. Thank you. Manea, ooh, watch out. Let's go find somewhere to sit over there, babe. Not yet, wait. We gotta find a seat, babe. Go, Maba. One of the coolest things that they have here, you can leave you can forget your life jackets at home. Hi, baby. Let's go. On a ball. Aww, good try. Hey guys, so we're going down the lazy river. Monet, lay back. Lay back. Lay down a little.
It's your mother. You're good. It's your mother.
Ready? Hi, Maba. Ready? Want me to hold on to him? So Monet decided she doesn't want to get in the float no more. And now she's pulling us
Sit down. So another perk of the fall passes.
How much is on here? 20 points each. So how much is each game? Different points? Okay. Come on, guys.
You also get points. So all together today, they got a Build-A-Bear. They got points for the arcade. Free ice cream. And they also got, they can get a tattoo as well. So we'll probably get tattoos later, but all pass is worth it.
I got one.
Yeah, come on.
Maverick.
Maverick, give her your puppy pass.
Thank you.
Which one do you want?
Renee, what color? Over the teal? Yeah, the teal. You want pink or teal? Can you a blue and a green? Thank you so much. Here you go. Here, Mava. Let's go. Go play.
Not 4,000. One, I got 4. Thank you.
Thank you.
So yesterday when we came, the little kids section was closed. Come on, buddy. Come on. Matt. Hey. Come on.
All right, take your shoes off. Yay, Nana! Come on, Nay, you can do it. Come on. Nay, come on. Come on, come on. Move your hands. Come on. Yay! Come on. All right, Manan, let's finish it up. Wait till you come closer. Yeah. Ready? Jump. Manan, jump back on the log. Go back on. Yeah, go back. Ready? Come on. Swing it. Ready? Jump. You did it, babe. You're the winner. Come on, Manan. This way. We're done. Come on. You're the winner. I told you you won. Ooh. You like it? Oh, let me see, Stinky. That's so cool.
I see your hand. And then we gotta take one spot off. Take like this. Get the extra glitter. And take this part off, and you'll see
Hey,
the gecko.
Mava.
Does it hurt?
Ooh, Mappa, look at that.
There you go.
Ooh.
Yeah.
D. Baldwin Alley. It's pretty neat. Duck pens for kids. This is all connected.